Good morning, good afternoon, greetings and salutations wherever you might be. Welcome to our first dinner of return with my mentee, Viongo Wagashie, and my son, in whom I'm most proud of. We are in Nairobi and we are having our first meeting since I got into the country. He was coming from Tanzania, I was coming from Germany. We've been working around food issues together, although we're in different continents. We started many years ago and many things have changed. And today we had a chance to get together for our breakfast. We stayed up late discussing the journey we've traveled together. And I felt I owed this work that he's doing a wonderful breakfast. So we thought we'll share this. And the breakfast is as follows. The first appetizer is going to be milk from the calf of a cow that he first went and checked on when he was in Naivasha. So the mother was raised all organic, and a cow that we have is raised all organic and produces very great milk for me. So I made this milk spiced with the juice of guava, ginger, and a bit of tamarind and honey and some saffron. That's why you see the color of the drink slightly different. So it's sour milk mixed with those juices, and it's going to be drunk with just a touch of nutmeg, which is going to be spicy.